Now, the High Court of Hong Kong is expected to rule on whether two newly elected lawmakers should be allowed to take their seats in the city's Legislative Council. Bajie Lueng and Yao Wei-ching were barred from retaking their oath of office after they read out an amended oath the first time around. The activists have called for Hong Kong to split from China and refuse to pay allegiance to Beijing. On Wednesday, they wrestled with security in the council chamber amid ongoing protests over their status. Pamela Ambler is in Hong Kong with more.
There's two things going on right now. One is behind me in the High Court. The chief executive had sued against allowing the two lawmakers to retake their oath. This decision is being made and reviewed underway right now behind me, but we also know that Beijing has called on the NPCSC, which is the National People's Congress Standing Committee, to interpret the Basic Law. The Basic Law is Hong Kong's mini constitution, and people are saying that there are pros and there are cons to having Beijing step in. The pro is that the judicial review process could take up to 2 years, so it's unclear whether or not these two lawmakers will be ousted or whether they will stay and be allowed to take a second oath. The Secretary General of LegCo had taken back his initial declaration of allowing the two to swear in again, and whether or not, even if they do swear in again, whether or not that's valid is to be seen. Now, the con, though, is having Beijing step in. There's only been 5 other cases before where they had to come and interpret the Basic Law. It undermines the rule of law here in the territory. Also, it is about a test of Hong Kong's tolerance and how far localists are allowed to go to promote independence, because at the time of the swearing in, they swore into the Hong Kong nation rather than to China. They also used a derogatory language to refer to China, pronouncing it in a different way on purpose. They also were wearing banners that said, "Hong Kong is not China."